Oh, good.
Good.
Yes, yes. This is St. Thomas. We are calling on the government of Jamaica with the two members of parliament to lock up this border for us, because this virus is a very serious virus. From last night, the Prime Minister announced that he's going to lock off St. Catherine. It is now a chaos. People is running from St. Catherine to St. Thomas. And we are calling on the people of St. Thomas now to be informer. And we have to come together because it is very bad. And I'm asking the people of St. Thomas, do not take in those people coming in the parish that you do not know. And I'm asking the Prime Minister to try to lock up this border, because we do not want this virus to catch you. And the transportation sector in this parish, we are so scared now, because we have to take people from point A to point B. It is very, very dangerous for us. So Mr. MPs, we are asking you to come in on board with us to see what's best we can do for the parish, because we do not want this virus in the parish, and people is coming in from all over in the parish. We are asking you, please come and help us lock the border of St. Thomas.